Hi guys, I will make a Bluetooth servo controller in Arduino, and this is the easiest code to adjust and understand for your project. So first plug in the Arduino cable in your laptop. Here's the pictures of the project, and it is already included in the link of the code in my description. I forgot to take a video, but here's the pictures so you can make it too. The first line includes servo gauge, is a preprocessor directive that includes the servo library. This library provides functions to control servo motors. Next, we have 4 servo objects, S1, S2, S3, and S4. These objects will be used to control the servo motors connected to the Arduino. The line int pos frasabingsa 00 declares an integer variable called pos and initializes it to 0. This variable will be used to store the desired position of the servo motor. Finally, we have int data, which declares an integer variable called data. However, it is not being used in this code snippet. Void setup is a function in Arduino that is called once when the program starts. It is used to initialize variables, set pin modes, and perform other necessary setup tasks. In this specific example, the function setup is being used to set up the serial communication at a baud rate of 9600. This allows the Arduino to communicate with a computer or other devices through the serial port. 4 servo motors, S1, S2, S3, S4, are also being attached to 4 different pins on the Arduino 7, 8, 9, 10, using the attach function. This allows the Arduino to control the movement of the servo motors by sending appropriate control signals to the specified pins. In this program, we have a loop function that runs continuously. Within the loop function, we check if there is any data available in the serial port. If there is data available, we read the data and store it in a variable called data. Next, we check if the data is equal to the character 1. If it is equal to 1, we can perform some specific task or execute a certain set of instructions. In this code, the servo motor connected to pin S1 is set to 180 degrees using the s1.write180 command. The program then waits for 100 milliseconds using the delay 100 function. The same process is repeated for the servo motors connected to pins S2, S3, and S4. Each servo motor is set to 180 degrees, and then there is a delay of 100 milliseconds before moving on to the next servo motor. Overall, this code is setting all 4 servo motors to 180 degrees and pausing for 100 milliseconds between each setting. All is just the same. Data 2 is the 90 degrees and data 3 is 0 degrees. You can adjust and change the data to different letters or number. You can add multiple data with just copy and paste the data, but don't forget to put fornalif at the end. So click Tools, then click Board Arduino. Click Arduino AVR boards and click Arduino Uno. And click Tools again. Click Port and click COM5. Now we are ready to upload. Now it's done. Let's test it if it's working. You can remove the port now. Plug in the Arduino in any charger. You have download Arduino Bluetooth control in Play Store, or you can click the app link in the description. Open Bluetooth in your device. Click Scan for devices or swipe to search your Bluetooth HC05. Click HC05 and type 1234, then go back to the app and reconnect. And now you can test it if it's working. Now we are connected. You can click this too, or adjust some settings or change the letters for your project. Successful. Now you can make any things you like to invent. You can make self-closing windows or robot or any cool thing you want to make. Don't forget to subscribe so you can watch future update, so can teach you more. Also like and click the bell. Thank you. Bye.